Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a graphics on your Canva DOS document on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a graphics on your Canva DOS on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that, you just need to click on the plus symbol. After click on the plus symbol, you have this option called element. Click on this. Now here you have this option called graphics. Scroll down, you can find option called graphics here. Click on the see all option. So here you have a further category like a magic recommendation and also a lot of more graphics here still loading here. So like category of icons and stickers, gradients, everything here. You can also search something if you just need it, particularly need it. So you can just pick on the any image and you can just insert the graphics like this and you can just modify. And this is how you just insert graphics on your Canva DOS document on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.